بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين. Welcome back all again. This is a new video in our series in exploring different ways to create bootable USB flash drive. We already did two videos, one for Linux and one for Windows, using built-in tools in Windows. And today we will learn a different way in creating a bootable flash drive. This time we'll use a tool that is provided by Microsoft. It's known as Windows Media Creation Tool. We will use this tool to create a bootable USB flash drive. This tool is created by Microsoft and it's available for you to use it. And on this video you will learn how to use this tool. Now, what are the requirements? Well, as you know, first you have to have a flash drive and the capacity should be at least 8 GB. You have to have a computer that is desktop or laptop that's connected to the internet, because you will download the tool itself and the Windows installation files over the internet. A very important requirement is that you have to use an account with administrative privileges, that is to say administrator account, because if you use a standard account it will not work. And last but not least, you have to have patience, because this process or this task may take around 15 minutes. A very important caution here is that if you have any data in your USB flash drive, they will be deleted. So it is recommended to back up any data in your flash drive. Now, some notes about this tool. This tool can also be used to download the ISO file for Windows. So if you don't want to create a bootable USB flash drive, but you want only the ISO file, you can use the same tool. And I may create another video to show you how to do that. The second note is that this tool will most probably be used for future releases of Windows, because this tool is used by Microsoft for a long time now. I believe starting from Windows 7, 8, 10, and now 11, and in the future they may continue to use the same tool. Now, how do you start? First, you open your favorite web browser. Then you navigate to this website where you can download the tool. Of course, you select the operating system that you want to create the bootable flash drive for. You download the media creation tool, then you run it, and simply you just follow the on-screen prompts. And without any delay, let us start our demonstration part. See you there. Okay, welcome to the demonstration part. So as I said, first you run your internet browser. Of course, I am logged on as an administrator. As we mentioned, this is very important. So I will launch my browser and then I will write the website that I mentioned to you in the presentation, and I will keep this in the description of the video on the YouTube. Then when you go to this website, you will have four different. Of course, we'll use the Windows 11. You click that one, you select, and here create Windows 11 installation media. We'll click the download now button to start downloading the tool. So I will click this button now, start downloading the tool. You wait a little bit, and once it's finished, I think it's finished, you can close your browser. Now simply you run that browser. I will go to Explorer. By the way, I already plugged in my flash memory. I believe it is this one. As I said, be careful. If you have any data files inside it, they will be deleted. So it's recommended to back up. So if I double click that flash drive, as you can see, I have some files here. They will be deleted. So please be careful. Now I will go to the download folder. I believe it's there. Simply you double click the media creation tool. Of course, it will ask you administrative password. You click yes. Let me close this one. Now, initially, you may not see anything, but hold on time, please. It will come. I don't know why they make it like this, Microsoft. But initially, it will disappear, but it will appear again. So let us see now what will happen. I believe it shouldn't take this time, but anyway, this is the technology. Sometimes we have to have patience. I hope it will not take longer than this. Yes, it already started. As you can see, it is telling us that it is getting a few things ready. Here is the license terms. We have to accept this. We'll accept it. Again, getting a few things ready. As you can see, I already have internet here because this tool, it will download the files over the internet. Now here, it will recommend, as you can see, it's automatically selected the language and the edition based on your operating system. If you want a different language, simply remove this tick mark, and from here you can choose any language you want, for example Arabic or whatever, but I will choose the English. In the edition, simply there is no other option. Simply now click next. Now here, as you can see, you have two options. Either you use the USB flash drive so that it make it bootable, or simply you can click the ISO file where it will download the ISO file. I will do this in a different video. So let us now select the USB flash drive, and as you notice here, it says it needs to be at least 8 GB. So simply I will click next. Then it will show you all the flash drive that are plugged in your computer. In my case, I have only one flash drive. It is this one. So I will choose it. Then you click next. Now it will start the process. Here you have to be patient because it takes time. But as I mentioned, please make sure that if you have data in your flash memory, you should back up before you start, because now what it will do, it will format the flash, and it will download the files and install it in that flash drive. Once this process finished, then your flash is ready to be used to install Windows in any computer. This may take time. I will stop the recording and we will come back once it's finished. As you can see, it is still missing. Now it's finished downloading. Now it will start verifying the download. Again, it will start. I hope it will not take time, but it takes time. So you have to have some recent, yeah. Now after downloading and verifying, now it creates a media, the flash memory, the bootable flash memory. Now let me pause again the video and we will come back. Okay, it is still running. We reach 99. It really took time, but we were waiting for this to finish. And as I mentioned, this tool will be used, I believe, for the future release of Windows. So maybe, we don't know, maybe Windows 12 after Windows 11. Yeah, I think as you can see, it says to me here, your USB flash drive is ready. I said finish. Now it starts cleaning up before it closes. Once it finishes, yes, now I believe my flash memory, so it's ready. It's bootable. Go to File Explorer, this PC. I believe it is this one. As you can see, it changed the label. It says here ESD-USB. Now if I remove the flash memory from my computer, let me just eject it. Okay, and I will plug it again so that you can see, yeah, it is this one. As you can see, it give it this logo, and this means it is now ready and it's a bootable USB flash drive, and you can use it to install Windows 11 in any laptop or desktop. I hope this was clear for you, and you can try it, and we will continue our series in finding different ways for creating bootable flash memory. See you in the next video. Take care.